Just today, I've been able to do $3,100 in affiliate commissions. How's it going, guys? This is David and
Rena.
and we're actually just here chilling on the couch, and I decided to record a video to show you the affiliate commission. So check this out. I want to just log into my email here. So take a look. Today at 6:53 p.m. I got a $100 sale, 6:57 a $1,497 sale, and also another one at 11:04 p.m. If you add all of this up, that's about $3,100 in a single day in affiliate commissions. Now check this out. I'm actually not the only one that's generating commissions with this. If we go here, this is my group, by the way, where I do the work and you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. When you join my team, I basically give you the same affiliate marketing campaign that you've seen me do $3,100 with. Today, let me show you what my members have been able to do. So check this out. Here's one member by the name of Miles. And as you can see here, he was able to do another $4,000 in commissions today. And just in the past 48 hours, he was able to do $11,923. Now, by the way, let me preface this by saying that, look, my results and the results of my members are not typical. We don't do typical things in our business, so we don't get typical results. If you are interested in earning affiliate commissions, there's 3 steps to doing so. First thing I want you to do is join my team. And I've actually prepared a webinar to show you exactly the program that we're promoting, the affiliate marketing campaign that I'm going to give you, and the traffic source that I personally use, which is a 100% free traffic source to generate all of these commissions. So if you're interested, all you need to do is there's 3 steps. Number 1, click the link just below this video. In the video description, there's going to be a link for you to click on. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to take you to watch a webinar. I want you to watch the webinar because on the webinar, I explain to you exactly how this works and exactly how to get set up and the exact affiliate IDs that you need to input into the system. There's a setup part that takes about maybe 10 minutes or so to do. You got to copy and paste a few affiliate IDs and stuff like this. So go ahead and do that. That's step number 2. And step number 3 is follow the exact free traffic strategies that I share with you on top of being able to provide you some free traffic myself. Go check out the link in the description. Now, let me show you some more member results. If we go back here to the group, this is actually the only one that came in today. Check this out. A member by the name of Eddie posted this 7 hours ago that he made his very first $2,000 commission. And the way he got it is cash. It was sent to him to his house. And check this out. Here's the cash and here's the sale. Let me see if I can actually get these two. Yeah, I'm actually holding the phone in like horizontal mode right now, so I can't really make the picture go the right way. But you get the idea. If you want to earn big commissions, all you're going to want to do is click the link in the video description and go check out my affiliate marketing campaign. Join my team. I want you to join my team specifically when you go to activate your program. Remember these 2 words, Vertex Live. Vertex Live. When you activate Vertex Live, that's the level that's going to enable you to earn these big $2,000 commissions. And it gives you a whole bunch of stuff that you're going to need, especially if you're using free traffic, like your own website, branded to you, custom made with the logo and everything. You're going to need those things. So make sure to activate Vertex Live. Then I'm going to give you the campaign. And on top of that, I'm also going to hook you up with some special bonuses that include traffic, my YouTube videos. So basically you can start generating traffic by yourself on your own YouTube channel without recording any videos yourself if you don't want to, and a whole bunch of other stuff, including a secret software that I use to get these commissions and a bunch of other bonuses as well.